Hi again, I'm Dr. Robert Fox of Fox Vision Development Center here in Latham. Our website is foxvisiondevelopment.com. We work with kids who have vision problems that affect reading, learning, and attention, and even comprehension. And one of the most common problems is the inability to use the two eyes together as a team. One of the ways we work with this and try to treat this problem is with a piece of equipment called the Brock string. Very simply, it's about 8-9 feet of string with 3 beads on it, and we have the child hold it up to their nose, and we ask them to tell us how many beads they see. Is it single or double? And there's an illusion of more than one string meeting at the ball. It's a great technique for providing feedback and a feel for what it's like to aim your eyes properly together. As part of an overall visual training program, it's a terrific tool for teaching kids how to deal with their poor eye teaming problems and also to see how they can control what's going on. To learn more about what we do here, go to our website at foxvisiondevelopment.com. Hope to see you again. Thank you.